Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Welcome dear students of TBM. Today we are going to study EVS I, Water Safe for Drinking. In this lesson we are going to learn substances that can dissolve and cannot dissolve in water. And the second is things in water or floats on water. Yes students, before beginning I would like to ask you one question. Which glass of water can you drink? Tell me. Yes, of course, you know the answer. The clear water. Why so? Because drinking water must be safe for our health. Pure water has no taste, smell or color. If water has a color or a false smell, one must avoid drinking it because it makes us ill. Okay, let's begin. Here you can see some substances. We are going to see which can dissolve or cannot dissolve in water. But before this, let me explain you the new term, dissolve. Dissolve means spread through out the water. Or in simple word, you can say the substance disappear in water. Let's take two substances, salt and sugar. We'll take 1 glass of water and 1 spoon of sugar and mix it properly till it gets disappear in water. Yes, sugar is dissolving in water. Observe it carefully. In this, we can see two beakers. In first beaker from left hand side, you can see the water as a solvent and the second, sugar at the bottom. After stirring it for few seconds, we'll get the solution. It means the mixture of sugar and water, that is sweet water. Do one more experiment students. Take 1 spoon of salt and 1 glass of water. Stir it for few seconds till the salt dissolve in water. Let's learn the new terms in this lesson. Water solute, solvent and solution. Let's learn. A simple solution is basically two substances that are evenly mixed together. One of them is called the solute and the other is the solvent. A solute is a substance to be dissolved, means here the salt. The solvent is the one doing the dissolving. And who is dissolving? Yes, in water we dissolve salt. And the mixture of this is called the solution of that substance. Means the salty water. In this picture you can see the salt pans. Now how the salt made or formed. Sea water is salty to taste because it is nothing but a solution of salt that occurs naturally. That is why we cannot use sea water for drinking because it tastes salty. What is ORS? Have you heard this term? Yes. When someone gets loose motion or dehydration, the doctor advises to give the ORS. ORS is nothing. It's just the solution of salt and sugar. Full form of ORS is oral rehydration solution. So, understood? What is the full form of ORS? Yes. Right inside picture, you can see a patient in a hospital is sometimes put on saline, that is, on a solution of salt in water. Sometimes other medicines also be given through saline. Try some more substances. Take 1 spoon of turmeric powder, mix in water and see what happens. Yes, the powder does not dissolve completely in water. You can see the turmeric powder at the bottom of the glass. These were the examples of solid substances that can dissolve or cannot dissolve in water. But what about the liquid? Here you can see oil and water. Yes. Are they getting mixed? No. Okay. Try this also at home and see the magic. Yes. Try at home. Does it dissolve in water? Note down all the substances name. Take 1 spoon of each and try to get mixed in water. And note down your observation in your book. Okay, we have learned that some solids, liquids dissolve in water. But what about the gases? Does it dissolve? Let's understand. What happens when we open the soda water bottle? Tell me students, have you observed it any time? Yes, you are correct. Bubbles fizz out of it. How and why it happens? Let's see. To make soda water, a gas called carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under pressure. Because of this, when the lid is removed, the pressure reduces and the gas bubbles out. So, in soda water, which gas is filled under pressure? Correct. Carbon dioxide gas. Let's learn the new concept, things sinks or floats in water.
Students, now I am going to perform one experiment. For that we require few things. Same experiments you all have to perform at your home. Let's start. Collect few things from your compass like eraser, sharpener, pencil, plastic ruler, rubber band. From your house, collect nail, screw, coin, plastic spoon and steel spoon. And from outdoor, soil, leaves, twigs and stone. Before beginning, put these things in water and see whether each of them sinks or float. Let's try. Take eraser, leave in it. What happens? Yes, it sinks. This is sharpener. Let's see what happens with this. Okay, one by one, put all the things in the water. Oh, same way with rubber band, plastic ruler, and from house, screw. This is nail. Now take coin. I'll take spoon, steel spoon. This is plastic spoon. Okay. From all this you can see rubber band, pencil, plastic ruler, plastic spoon. These four things are floating in water. And rest of all the things like eraser, sharpener, coin, steel, spoon, screw and nail, they sink into the water. Now we'll take the outdoor things. like stones. Let's see what happens. Oh, it sinks. This is soil. Yes, soil also sink into the water. These are the leaves. Yes, it floats in water. These are the dry twigs. What happened to this? Yes, leaves and twigs, they are floating into water. What do you see? The eraser, sharpener, steel spoon, nail, screw, stones, coin, and the soil sink in the water while the other things float. What does this tell us? Yes, some things float on water while some things sink in it. The things that float are lighter than water and the things that sink are heavier than water.
Okay, so from this experiment, the conclusion is things sinks. Examples are given: eraser, sharpener, steel spoon, nail, screw, stones, coin, and soil. And the things were floating on it. It's plastic ruler, plastic spoon, twigs, leaves, and pencil, because these things are lighter than water. Now activity time, students. It's a fun time. Like here, you can make bubbles at home. Making bubbles activity. Try producing bubbles of gas in a liquid for yourself. Like in soda water bottle, you can see the bubbles are fizzing it out. Do this experiment and enjoy learning. Yes, what it is? Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching.